Hey there, in this video we'll show you how to add your favorite songs to your Facebook profile. It's a great way to express your personality and share your musical interests with your friends. So, let's get started. First, open Facebook on your desktop or mobile device and go to your profile by clicking on your name or profile picture. Next, tap on the three dots icon and then tap on the search icon, the magnifying glass. Now, tap on the Music button and then tap on the plus icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Search for your favorite song by typing its name or the artist's name in the search bar. Once you find the song, tap on it to play a preview. To add the song to your profile, go back to the Music menu and tap on the three dots icon next to the song you want to add. Select Pin to Profile and you're done. That's it, folks. You've successfully added a song to your Facebook profile. Remember, you can always change the song or remove it if you want to. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.